mettre,
means to put. In this video, we will learn the verb to put in the present tense and its conjugation with the subject pronouns. Hello and welcome back to your own French learning channel, Learn French with Di.Vi. This is a third group verb, and it follows the pattern that is shown here. Let's conjugate it in the present tense using this pattern. I put.
je mets,
You put. Informal way.
tu mets,
He puts. Masculine.
il met,
She puts. Feminine.
elle met,
We put, or one puts. Informal way.
on met,
We put. Formal way.
nous mettons,
You put. Formal way.
vous mettez,
They put. Group of males or mixed people.
ils mettent,
They put. Group of only females.
elles mettent,
This French verb is used to express the action of putting something in a particular position or location. It is also used in idiomatic expressions and to convey the idea of turning on or setting something in motion. Let's use these conjugations and build some sentences. I put the key on the table.
je mets la clé sur la table. Je mets la clé sur la table.
You put on your shoes.
Tu mets tes chaussures. Tu mets tes chaussures.
He puts the book in the bag.
Il met le livre dans le sac. Il met le livre dans le sac.
She puts on the red dress.
Elle met la robe rouge. Elle met la robe rouge.
We turn on the television.
On met la télévision en marche. On met la télévision en marche.
We put the flowers in the vase.
Nous mettons les fleurs dans le vase. Nous mettons les fleurs dans le vase.
You put on the music.
Vous mettez la musique. Vous mettez la musique.
They put the plates on the table.
Ils mettent les assiettes sur la table. Ils mettent les assiettes sur la table.
They put the pens in the pencil case.
Elles mettent les stylos dans la trousse. Elles mettent les stylos dans la trousse.
Let's repeat the conjugation one more time. If you are following my videos regularly, you will be aware of this subject pronoun table. I put.
Je mets.
You put. Informal way.
Tu mets.
He puts. Masculine.
Il met.
She puts.
Feminine.
Elle met.
We put, or one puts. Informal way.
On met.
We put. Formal way.
Nous mettons.
You put. Formal way.
Vous mettez.
They put. Group of males or mixed people.
Ils mettent.
They put. Group of only females.
Elles mettent.
Verbs that follow the same pattern are listed here. We will learn some more verbs in coming videos. Till then, please keep practicing.
Goodbye for now, and see you in next video.
Thank you for tuning in and watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit the like button.
Subscribe to our channel for more such training videos and share this video with your friends and family.